Ba't ka dito, Gary? Basketball tayo, pare. Tara!
What's up mga ka-OA? Shoutout sa mga ka-OA. What's up mga ka-OA? Oh yeah. Hey yo! What's up mga ka-OA? Panibagong video, panibagong vlog, panibagong memories na naman. At ngayon nandito tayo sa bahay ni Ano. Bakit tayo nandito? Maghahamon tayo. Kung sino yung tao dito sa bahay na to, alam niyo naman kung kaninong bahay yan, no? Siyempre, hahamunin natin siya sa isang basketball game. Titingnan natin kung papalag to sa akin. Pasok tayo sa bahay. Bali, dire-diretso lang tayo dito sa bahay na to. Kasi alam niyo naman, pagka magkakapatid, diretso lang sa bahay. Ay, kung isa dyan, ha? Ngayon, siyempre, dito tayo nakapasok tayo. Si Grestra at si Valdez. Mga tao dito sa bahay na to. Siyempre, nasa loob yung ating hahamunin.
Pare. Ba't ka dito, Gary? Basketball tayo, pare. Tara!
Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng, hindi ako lalabanan yan eh.
Na pare, no?
Pare, anong masasabi mo? Paano yun? Natalo kita ng isang beses.
Gary, isang beses, lagi kita natatalo.
Ayaw, ano. Ngayon, siyempre, dahil init na kami, dahil naka-buzzer beater ako kahapon, mamaya papatunayan ko na kaya ko pa rin manalo.
Dito ko tatudurugin.
Titingnan natin kung kaya ko madurog ni Jonah dito kasi sa cellphone natalo ko siya. Ngayon, eto, sa kanyang home court, tingnan natin kung matatalo to. Yan, okay. So ngayon sisimulan na namin, magbabakbakan na kami.
Kita ba, DB? Babawi ako.
Labanan to ng trash token.
Labanan ng pride to. Practice siya si Gary.
Oh, wala. Nasa inyo to eh.
Hindi, sa cellphone.
Magkaiba kasi yung ano, yung ibang pagpunta sa cellphone dito.
Back, kayo sa...
Yung Orleans ako, rapid siya.
Center position has changed, Kevin. You don't have a lot of back to the basket centers anymore. More of the big guys are stepping out.
James Harden!
Step
back! Ah!
Okay, una lang naman. Ayun talaga una lang. Mga bida na
Ano kami? Anong ginawa?
Aba, ang sabi ni Davis no, natalong ka!
Bakit?
Boy!
Eto na!
Kuya!
Oh!
Sana!
Layo. Summers na lang.
Pulap ka!
Ay, malikod! Ako malikod! Hindi na lang makamaan.
Oh, napakadaya! Hindi ako makasyon!
Masok yan malagdasan. Okay na. Pag-push na tayo.
Hindi makasyon! Grabe!
And with Cousins, he found out that he was being traded in the All-Star game in New Orleans. It's never easy fitting in with another star.
Oh, saan ka na yan?
Cousins is just so skilled that
Zero to ice ka!
find a balance. And at the end of the day,
James Harden!
you watch him hard and get through the shoots and three. I mean, at least picture
Malalit ko naman.
Ah!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Vlog nga eh. Ito pa nakakitindi.
here's a fast break, and it's
Sarap na!
Hoy, Chris Paul! 7-0!
Hindi nga ako pinay-score ng first!
2 minutes lang. Tama na 2 minutes para sa yung video para to trash to all.
Oh my
Parang
God!
drug na ako!
James Harden!
Nagbabuhi ito, nagbabuhi!
Dati nga pala pangapat na idol ko. Kung nasa Kobe, si Tima, si Carter, sunod si Harden, sunod si Westbrook.
Ako si Shaquille, tsaka si Jordan, tsaka si Kobe, tsaka si Durant.
basketball.
Kamukha niya si Durant.
Your starters feel that good about this.
Hindi nga ako naka-score.
Record yan, boy!
Oo, kasi 7
Seeing Chris Paul shooting from the bench, you know that it's very, very tricky. And that's the kind of team that's always been so
Ah!
Mga ka-screw din sa bakas! Baka sumablay.
And now the second quarter just getting set to start.
Bawi tayo, pare.
Quickly break down the
Oh,
game we've seen so far in the lineup.
Isa sa mga bata ko, hindi.
Kaya pa rin.
Isa sa daw, isa sa.
They've made their presence felt on this end. Excellent job contesting shots so far. Chris Paul and Gordon are the
Alit-lit. Ay!
Bakor na naman. And Tucker in the
Hindi ko naman siya mapes preview.
second quarter for the Rockets.
Ah!
He has a chance now to catch up with the fourth member of our crew, Hall of Famer David Lillard.
Oh, bobo!
Hindi naman sumalaw.
Kaya hindi na makapasok sa playoffs eh.
Oh! Chris Paul! Ito nga palang best team ko, useful Rockets. Ayoko na sa Lakers kasi ito si LeBron. Oh, bobo!
Hindi na nawala sa red. Hindi naman.
Oh!
Parang benta to.
Paano yung nare-record yan?
Pero kasi yung
Pero mo, headset, di ko
Gusto mo ko?
Pa-score muna, Russell! Para
Mana si Russell!
Davis easily gets off the ground to throw it down. And he's a quick
Ooh! Hoop! Hoop!
Dapat ko na parang
Ibig sabihin, ayun yun.
Oo,
Hindi siya naka-skill record.
Ah! Buhatin niyo, buhatin niyo! Buhatin niyo, Russell!
Putik.
Okay, nalaglag! Ayusin mo!
Hindi mo, tutok ko dito, okay?
Gets to a bottom check. Down low. Takes it out to Harden.
Nakaplay niya, Russell.
Another shot of their own that time.
So yun, nagka-technical problem.
Nalaglag ho yung cellphone!
Nalaglag yung cellphone ko.
Came up in.
Kaya eto na, nagbabagoy na ako. Dala, yung 7-0 naman, Dala, nasa na?
He is, and he picks the simple one-hand stuff to get the 2 points.
James Harden!
Considering how close this game is.
Steal!
Love that aggressive mentality constantly. Looking to put the ball in the basket.
Nakangin yata eh.
Oh, yan!
Salamat sa nagkayo, si Russell. Pag nalaglag yan, ayusin mo rin.
Shoutout kay Bandes.
Go! Laya mamaya.
Dati siya naka-input.
Wala.
Half-time na half-time.
Hey everybody,
Nalimutan ko nga dali.
Houston holding the upper hand after
Wala
the
akong
first
camera
half.
yun.
They lead by 5. Kenny, some perspective, please.
Bali yun, pinagbigyan ko siya sa first half.
I think that's big.
Wala. Papatuloy ko to.
Basketball.
Hindi naman naman, gano'ng kadikit yun. Pares yung
Second half.
player of the game namin, pares 8 points.
Wala si Adam ng MVP
Bakit
ngayon.
mo kayo masabihin mo lang?
Naputol nga, naputol.
Putol yung
Back and forth game so far with no ground given to the first team.
Yeah, correct, yeah.
One of the stories here. And now the start of the second half. Neither side jumping out ahead through the first 2 quarters. Pelicans trail by 5. And when you watch those Rockets teams,
Pusing galayan.
Eto na, Trevor Ariza galing Lakers. Oh!
so the Pelicans flag right now. The start they've been here. Davis and Cousins are up front.
Oh!
And it's Hill at the small forward position.
Sama natin si AJ.
There's that exceptional feel.
Sama lang sa pag-MVP.
And last season, the Rockets' offense wasn't good. Then they go and add Chris Paul.
Oh!
Kapela!
Kape, magkape ka sa ere. Ah, putik na yan. Paano nagawin yan?
Kasi pipilitin.
Oh, naman niya.
Wow!
Oh, para sa free yan.
Kamoka green para sa'yo, Gartigi.
Kailangan ko bulip. Ito na naman.
Now, Swiss center Clint Capella is up there as one of the most efficient players in the league. He's only 22. He's official mostly because the shots from God.
Nice D!
Kalag parang.
Eto na! Boom! Pano!
Wala na sa laro, nag-joke ako.
Putek. Onsi na.
Sabi ko kay Gartin na 3 minutes para medyo makahabol siya ng konti. Eto, minutes lang talaga ang trip niya para sa konting ka sa gitna.
Hindi, kaya ko pa nabulin eh. Kaya ko, onsi lang yan, onsi.
Jarius Miller, he's checked in for no one. He's on more.
Oh!
Ayun.
Ayun!
Tinesting ko lang kung maabot niya.
More dishes to him. Takes it to him. No one was moving the ball around.
Nolok yun.
Gorgeous touch from outside. He's a deadly shooter, an absolute laser when you give him space to fire. 8-second difference between the shot clock and the game. Ball gets to
Huli yan. Ah!
Makes it up to Rosa.
Freeze!
Wow! Benwak is Benwak.
Dawkins 4 by 8. And there's the push to hit.
Nasa idea.
Amin! Amin! Yeah! Taka! Mukha mo! Mukha mo!
Sa mga kabulin ko sa 4th quarter, 2 minutes.
2 minutes wala, tablado ka ba no?
Textbook shooting from the strike. Great.
Your mentality to, boy!
Mark it up. And it's Miller in the corner. Hill inside. Here's Davis.
Nasa beauty lang eh. Feeling nanalo na. Feeling nanalo na.
Head to the bench with a 7-point lead as we wrap up the quarter.
7-point lead na naman. Gawain yung 1st quarter kasi hindi ko talaga pinag-score.
The 4th quarter just moments away now as we welcome you back. Here's Paul. Paul on guard with the stars down backcourt. Anderson is down low with the
Wala ako! Green! Bahamute!
Dala.
Chris Paul. Gotta respect that. I mean, not one of his guys is open. He's getting the ball to him quickly and on time.
Ay, wala.
Parang di na si Kasi sa totoong buhay.
Just clean up on the basket from Cousins.
Oy! Oy! Oy!
That's a great play on backcourt. Yeah, I mean, it's all guys there. All the second chance plays.
Hooray! James Harden!
Great scores in the NBA.
Tambak, wala kang kwenta, Gatigi. Habol, wala kang kwenta. Oh. Wala kang kwenta, Gary. Umiyak ka na. Oh! Oh, sasayang ako ng bola.
This is a 7-footer that moves like a guard, handles it like a guard, shoots it like a guard, and is 7 feet tall. There's nobody closer to him than that.
Thank you.
Nakakapalit yung mga to.
The experience here, he said, direct, most unguardable guy in the league. Hill has it to Cousins.
Hoy, butata! Si Cousins! James Harden! Ano, Gary? Kahit tinalo mo kahapon, tatawin sa content mo.
Generating a lot of opportunities.
Wala. Harden! Ah, ba.
And you know, looking back at
Focus oras. Hop. Ayun o. Hey!
he's got to work to his behind.
Ay!
Really an intimidating presence.
Harden, sabay.
Harden! Talo! Kasi talo.
That's just an
Ano, content mo para to ha? Talo. I-upload mo to ha?
Oo naman.
I-upload mo! James! Yup!
really nothing they can do.
O, tira na! Pinapatira ko na ha?
First time ko matatalo sa content ko.
Defense did all they could there.
Kita kita yung sa Harden! I-outside ko ha? In-outside ko para kay Gary! Ano? Savage, boy!
Stepped out. That's
Putek, masaker.
Nasa mo!
9-point game.
Titira natin!
Pag-punti na yung score mo.
Kaniniba! Russell! Kaniniba! Sinulok ang pride!
Wala eh. Pag talo-talo.
Player to game, Jay. Player to game pa yan.
Hindi, babawi ako off.
Ay, hindi naka-record. Joke lang.
Sayang, babawi yan.
Tingnan natin ang stats.
Babawi ako off.
13 points. Okay, bakit?
Hindi, yun lang yung ano namin, pinaglalabanan. Kasi yung pinakamaraming puntos, pantay kami, so tabla kami. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. Huwag ko kalimutan mag-subscribe.
Walang kwentas, Gary.
Hindi, may kwenta ako. Sige, bye-bye.